Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video addresses a common question: how to save your Google Doc as a Microsoft Word document, .doc, for easy sharing or editing in Word. Maybe you need to collaborate with someone who uses Word or prefer the .doc format. No problem, conversion is easy. Open your Google Docs application on your device, and of course check if you are signed in to the application. By opening the application on the home page, select the document you want to convert into a Word document. On the document itself, look for three dots and click on them. On the new page, look for the Save as Word option in the drop-down menu and click on it. The document will be saved and it will open for you. Now, how to find out if the document was saved as a Word document? Return to the home page, and you will see a W-shaped icon on that document in the lower left corner. This means that the document was saved in Word. And that is that. So the next time you need your Google Doc in Word format, remember the File menu and Download with .doc as your secret weapon. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs hacks to win different file formats.